My name is Isabella Zabane from the constituency of Stan Creek West, and I wanted to write this down so I could be absolutely clear.
Big round of applause for Miss Belize.
Thank you. I would like to urge the consideration of a lift of the threshold from 10,000 to a higher number. What matters is value for money. And 10,000 is simply too low for ministries to be allowed to spend. It's micromanaging everybody from the top down to the bottom. We need strong oversight, but 10,000 is too low in this economy. Maybe 30 years ago it was appropriate, but it burdens the office of financial secretaries to be micromanaging all of the ministries. Great leaders are remembered for making hard decisions. So I urge this administration to consider making a hard decision. We are not a party of thieves. We are a party of love. And we are not afraid of any other party or the media propaganda that they will push. Thank you.
I must commend Bella for being very thoughtful and to be brave to make such a recommendation considering what we're going through. But what we're doing at this time, we've been working with the IDB for over a year, coming up with new legislation where we want to set up what we call the central procurement unit. Another central procurement unit is going to be there's going to be a portal where all of government um, contracts and business would have to go through that portal so everybody can see what services the government is going to be needed. And then once the contracts have been approved, it's going to be on that portal so everybody can see what who has been approved these contracts. And you are right when you're looking at $10,000 in a budget of about $1.8 billion. It's really not a lot in the scheme of things. But there has to be proper reporting, and that is what the problem that we've been facing. So one of the things they're looking at is probably increasing that $10,000 to a higher number, but there's going to be a lot of no more reporting, a lot of more oversight, and a lot of more transparency so that people can see what is happening and to ensure that we continue to manage the people's money the way we should. You all, we sign a compact with you that we're going to be different, and we continue and we will be different than the UDP. Thank you very much.